We're going to Baluarte, Vegan City. So, ito yung mga price nila. So, we are now inside Baluarte and we have here the camel.
Tawag sa sungay. Huwag daw sa sungay.
So we have now here Bambi over there. Laki, eh? Hi guys, so magpapa-camel feeding tayo. So, hello camel! Eat, eat, eat! Wow! Kinain agad! Gutom na gutom! Bebe! Done with the feeding of camel.
Paano ka na? Ito kayo dalawa.
Hi! Hello dear! Hello! Hello! So we are now on the shuttle going up because we get the tour 800. Ito tayo sa Baluarte Zoo. Then, ito yung current rate pagpapapicture sa albino lion. So, ito din siya. Ayan na. White eyes yun siya.
Picture with the lion. Size na.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Safari Gallery ng Baluarte Zoo. So, later papakita natin kung anong makikita natin sa loob. Yung Safari Gallery. Let's go inside. So guys, upon entering, ito yung Safari Gallery. So, ang dami. Actually, this is true animal. So, preserve sila. Actually, usually ito yung mga sinushoot, then pre-preserve yung body. So, yan. 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 So, ang dami ditong collection, guys. And we have this, the big elephant. Laki nito. Sobrang laki nito. And actually, this was taken in African elephant. It's an African elephant. And makikita natin si Chavit yan. Yan. So, yan. 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 May malaking hipopo. Yan. Layo. Nasa second floor ako ng Safari Gallery. So, ito yung kabuuang Gallery Museum. Yan. So, I think this is one of the biggest. Yung hippopotamus. And then the largest is this elephant. Yan. Baka ng elephant. Like literally, malaki siya. So, yan. Turtles.
Tago siya.
Tago na siya.
Scarlet!
This is the pan of Baluarte Crocodile Park.
Ayun pa yung tatlo, tapos nandiyan yung isa. Crocodile Park.
Yes, this is the crocodile.
Very good.
So, ano natin.
Ang
laki.
Ang dami palang crocodile.
So, yan. So, ito yung pond ng Crocodile Park. So, andun tayo sa Baluarte Crocodile Park. Yan. Yan. Oh, malis na siya. Hey guys. So, ito yung Crocodile Park sa Baluarte. So, yan. Yan. Baluarte Crocodile Park.
Ay, Ken yung crocodile.
Mukhang busog naman sila at di nagugutom. Yan.
Ayun pala.
Ginawa mo manok sila.
Parot.
Parot, parot.
Parot.
Ganda ka.
Oy.
Ay. You look good. Wow.
Tricks pa nga.
So here's our variation. Get the basket. So now Corky went to the market and weighed all the results. Good job, Corky. Now what we found out that Corky here has an artistic skill in painting. So magpe-paint po si Corky. Pero bago lahat, kailangan niyo po ng warm up. Okay, now Corky, go turn to his left. And to the left, there's a right turn. And around, Corky goes. And I think he's free to warm up. And every artist has their own styles and strokes. But for Corky, he uses some dogs, slides, and wild artistic waving motion. Okay, umpisahan po natin sa unang kulay. Meron po tayong kulay green. The color of nature. Good job. Okay guys, remember he is an artist and he knows what he is doing. So, second color ay meron naman po tayong kulay orange. The color of the tiger. And the paint that Corky is using is a non-toxic water-based paint. And it's the same paint what the kids uses at school. Okay, let's take a break for a moment. And we will show you how we train Corky on his skills in painting. First, we let him understand that every time he does a good job, he gets a reward. So let's say we have a hand target. And every time Corky touches the hand target with his nose, he gets reward. Even if the hand target goes up, down, left, or right, he gets reward. And the reward sound like, of course, that is food. But sometimes we give him a pat or a good rub down, but training should be more fun and exciting. Okay, and now, let's see if our artist is done. Hey Corky, are you finished? Wait, he's checking. Are you done, Corky? And I think so. Not quite a Michelangelo, but more on a Picasso. Work of art. Ladies and gentlemen, Pisa. Okay, goodbye everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, and please stand by for the Baluarte's Animal and Art Show. Okay guys, riding the bike, shoot the race. At syempre, hindi mo wala ang pagtatapon niya ng papel. Okay, yung tinanawag natin guys na garbage. Okay, riding the bike, shoot the race, cross the garbage. At ang huling task para kay Alisa guys ay mag-shoot siya ng ball. So ladies and gentlemen, masigaw akong palakpakan para kay Alisa.
So we're done with the tour. So nandito kami sa park. Mukhang nandito yung mga deer. Nagtatago din sila sa init. Oh? Ayaw din nila ata sa init. Sila sa lilim.
Where's the baby? Where's the baby?
Baluarte. Welcome to Baluarte.
Bakit ba kayo doon?
Hindi na.